Hey guys, this is Taylor from Southwest Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK545HYD kit. This is going to be our 10-inch true ride brake kit with the hydraulic brakes. You'll see this big box right here. This is what you'll get in the mail. It's got our logo on it. You can see two smaller boxes down in here. This is where your brakes will be. You can pack them nice and tight like that so they don't move around in the mail. Then we have these two smaller boxes with our true ride drum. This has the 1/2-inch zinc coated studs. This is the 5 on 4.5, so the center of stud to center of studs is going to be 2 5/8. Our races are already pressed in. You can see the inner, the outer, and the inner. And we have our hydraulic brake back here. This is our true ride brake back. You can see our hydraulic pistons already in. Everything's ready to go to just bolt it up. It's got your connections on it. It's got your true ride approved sticker on the back. That'll show you left hand, right hand. You can also see that this pin right here will always point towards your tow vehicle, so this is going to be your right hand. And we can see all of our small parts here, packed nice and neat down in there. We have our other hub and drum and our other backing plate. So in this kit you're going to get 2 hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. And we have our small parts. You can see you'll get 2 seals. And after you put your inner bearing in, you'll just pop this seal right in. And you'll get your mounting hardware for your backing plate. You'll get 8 of these screws. And just pop right there. And you'll get your washers and nuts. You'll get 8 washers and 8 nuts for these. What you'll do is you'll just pop this in, pop it through the axle, put your washer on, put your nut on, and you're good to go. We have the lug nuts. You'll get 10 lug nuts. You just pop them right on. And you're going to get 2 castle nuts and 2 cotter pins. And most of our competition will not send you the cotter pins. We like to make sure that you guys have everything you need, so you'll just pop your castle nut on, stick your cotter pin right through, and that'll keep it from going anywhere. And we're going to have our grease caps, and you'll get 4 of these. And the reason why is that we like to make sure you guys have everything you need for your application. So if we look at these, you can see one has a hole in it and one is solid. These are for your easy lube spindles, and these are for your regular spindles. Now these will come with the tang washer and the rubber cap, and you can see this one's already installed. And then these will come with just your regular spindle washers. Then we have our inner and outer bearings. So you'll get 2 sets. These are going to be your inner bearings. These are the 68149, and you'll just pop them right in there. And then we have our outer bearings, which are the 44649. You'll just pop them right in there. Good to go. This set's really straightforward, guys. Really easy. Just plug it up and good to go. Thanks for watching.